Welcome to how to go on TikTok shop. So in this video we are going to show you how to go on TikTok shop, but before start of this video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all you will open up TikTok and then basically tap into this icon here and go into your TikTok profile, and then make sure that your account is a business account. So tap on these three lines here, then tap on settings here, and then tap on account here, and make sure that here it should say switch to personal account, which means that you are currently on your business account. Okay, so if it's say here switch to business account, just switch your account from personal to business, then go back, tap on these three lines at the top again, then you should see this option here where it says business suite. Open up, and now here you can basically, if you have a physical business, you can basically add that shop here on TikTok as well, and then basically your shop will show here, and when someone come into your profile they can go to your shop from your TikTok page and they can basically buy stuff from your shop. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.